Intro 00010. Hey everyone, I've got a special treat for you today, yo. Meet Kamario. He's 6 years old and ready to take over the car wash. Watch as he grabs a sponge and water hose with that big, infectious smile. Kamario, smiling. Hey everyone, I'm Kamario and today I'm taking over the car wash. Parent, behind camera. You got this, champ. Here we go. Kamario's all set to fill up the bucket. Look at him go, struggling adorably with that hose. It's his first time, so let's see how he does. Soap, rinse, and all. Oh no, lots of soap, too much soap. Funny captions pop up. Oops, too much soap. Alright, now Kamario's scrubbing away. He's got some great tips for us. Kamario, you gotta scrub like this. And don't forget the wheels. Wheels are dirty. Close-up of his tiny hands cleaning the rim. Parent, what happens if we miss a spot? Kamario, then we gotta start all over again. Cute dramatic side. Look at that! Kamario's rinsing the car now. And uh-oh, a little water fight moment. He accidentally sprays the camera. Kamario, oops, sorry. Laughter and playful sound effects. Kamario, proudly. All done. You think I did a good job? Tell me in the comments and give me a thumbs up. Parent, should Kamario open his own car wash business? Kamario, only if I get paid in cookies. Outro screen, like, comment, and subscribe for more Kamario adventures.